We embarked on an ambitious project to renovate a stately colonial revival house built in 1900. One room that needed to be remodeled was the bathroom. The previous owner replaced the original bathroom many years ago, but it had a basic design and had become dated. The first step of the bathroom remodel was a complete demolition down to the wall studs. We removed the crumbling lath and plaster walls to allow us access to upgrade the plumbing and electrical. We installed plumbing for a walk-in rainfall shower, freestanding bathtub, and wall-mounted toilet, all being routed into the new wastewater plumbing stack. After installing the plumbing pipes and electrical wires, we insulated the wall channels with spray foam, batt, and acoustical insulation. Once the insulation was installed, we had the drywall delivered. A crane was used to move the drywall through a second-floor window. The drywall was hung on the walls and ceilings. Then it was taped, mud, sanded, and primed. A shower pan and drain kit were used for the shower area. A membrane, coil, and control box were added for floor heating. Next, we installed the floor and wall tile. The shower included a tiled shelf feature and a shower wand. A unique border strip was also added. Decorative corner strips were installed to make the tile pop. A custom floating vanity was built and painted. It included open shelves and under-cabinet lighting. A quartz countertop and waterfall faucet were added. Installed were sturdy black towel shelves. We placed a large soaker tub and floor-mounted bathtub filler faucet under the awning window. Two of the walk-in shower walls were custom-made from 64 square feet of shower glass. A corner opening between the glass walls created a doorless entry point for the walk-in shower. A shower ceiling channel houses the dimmable LED accent lights. Hung above the floating vanity is a backlit LED bathroom mirror, having features such as a makeup light, color-changeable backlight, and an optional anti-fog setting. The final product is a modern bathroom with elements reminiscent of the Victorian era.